So we have a question which says x is equal to square root of 12 plus 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 etc until infinite number of times. How do we solve this problem? The idea here is to convert this problem into a quadratic equation. How do I do that? I will be able to do that if I understand that there is the same problem is nested within itself. What I mean by that nested within itself is, if you look at this particular component that I have highlighted, this subcomponent of the given problem, what is this component exactly? This component is 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus how many times? Infinite number of times. Isn't that exactly what x is? So if this subpart is exactly equal to x, then our entire question will become x is equal to square root of 12 plus x. Some of you might have a question. Sir, here whatever is the number of times the square root is coming, than that one square root extra is here, no? That's fine, because it's infinite number of times. So whether it is infinity or infinity plus 1, both are considered as infinity only. So it's still the same x expression only. Okay. Now beyond this, I can simply go ahead and write x squared equals, if I square on both the sides, 12 plus x, or x squared minus x minus 12 equals to 0, or x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals to 0, or x into x minus 4 plus 3 into x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 3 into x minus 4 equals to 0, or x is equal to minus 3 or plus 4. Okay, here I would like to point out a small clarification. Now let's look at how many solutions are there for x squared equals to 16. How many solutions are there? There are two possible solutions. One solution is x is equal to plus root 16. Another solution is x is equal to minus root 16. Correct. One solution is x is equal to plus 4. Another solution is x is equal to minus 4. Correct. This part is correct. Now if I slightly modify the question, if I ask how many solutions are there for x is equal to plus root 16, you know what is the answer? It's not two solutions. It is just one solution, x is equal to plus 4, because we are just speaking about one branch of the previous question. Similarly, if I ask how many solutions are there for square root of, minus square root of 16, there is only one solution, which is minus 4, because we are speaking about one branch of the previous question. Okay. So this is one clarification that I'd like to give here. So if the question asked is x squared equals to 4, there are two solutions to it. X is equal to plus root 4 or x is equal to minus of root 4. But if the question asked is how many solutions are there for x is equal to root 4, we are speaking about only one branch of the previous question, and therefore the answer is just x is equal to 2. If the question asked is how many solutions are there for x is equal to minus root 4, we are speaking about the right side branch of the previous question, and therefore there is only one answer, which is x is equal to minus 2. So come back to our question. So our question speaks about x is equal to plus square root of something. So how many solutions will be there? There will be only one solution, and that solution will be a positive solution, and therefore the right answer for this is not x is equal to minus 3, but x is equal to plus 4 only. Now what we will do is, like, we will look at a similar problem to this. If I pick up another question like x is equal to square root of 12 minus 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 infinite number of times. If I look at this particular green component, this component is nothing but the entire question itself, square root of 12 minus square root of 12 minus until infinite number of times. So I'll write x is equal to square root of 12 minus x. I can square on both the sides. X squared equals to 12 minus x, or the quadratic equation is x squared plus x minus 12 equals to 0. This I can factorize as x plus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to either x is equal to minus 4 or plus 3, and the entire question is plus square root of something, whatever is there inside, that's okay, but plus square root of something. So this square root will have only a positive answer. There can be only one solution, that will be a positive solution, so which is not x equal to minus 4, but it will be x equal to plus 3 will be the solution for this question.